Welcome to our log cabin in the woods. In this episode, we have several things going on, and we are going to start with having a new water hydrant installed in the front yard. When we bought this property, it had a water hydrant, but it was old and it had been shut off for several years, and we didn't know if it would work. So a plumber came out and he removed the old hydrant and installed a new one for us. And here they are just finishing up, and they are going to fill in the holes and the ditch that they had dug to connect the water hydrant to the house. Okay, because I started filling in the garage here. Pushed up some more dirt. Oh, I still need a lot more fill in here though.
Part for filling up the space.
Yeah. I don't think that's going to make a really big difference. There's the water hydrant up there somewhere. That pile of gravel is gone. Here's the water hydrant and the water meter. Got those in. And then way back here is the electric box. They got to get it all wired. And they leveled out the ground between the hydrant, the water meter, and the house. So that's all leveled out. And then they brought dirt up to the garage level.
Hard time walking on the gravel?
Okay, they still haven't poured concrete. They were supposed to pour today for the floor, and it's not done. So the
Yes, sir.
excavator is checking into it and see what's going on.
Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Okay.
I think now they're planning on tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
And we've got some equipment here to be used by the
Okay.
builder.
That's true, but I'm kind of running out of time on that basement, though.
Here's Sarah and Sophie.
Okay. Well, I think we're supposed to get a little bit of a break. It's supposed to be a little bit cooler tomorrow. I'm not sure exactly how much.
Okay, the garage is all filled with some large rock. Hey, now we have a basement floor. There's the hyena. She wants to come down here with us. That's the drain for the tub? Okay.
Toilet.
That's the drain for the toilet. Or that's where the toilet will sit.
And the sink.
And the sink. And then what's that?
That's the floor drain.
For
and then
the-
this was stubbed up for the condensate. And water softener.
Oh, okay.
Having to run something across the floor.
Okay.
So we should be able to set the furnace here.
Yeah.
Water heater and softener.
And that's the electrical panel.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the wall will have to.
So the wall will come right there about where you're standing.
Yeah, it's got to be by code. You're supposed to have 18 inches.
Right about there.
Might actually. I don't think we'd need to go out this far to this joint here, but maybe.
Maybe that far. Well, is it going to depend on what is up above? I mean, the joist, floor joist or anything?
We'll have the main beam here. So your
Right
floor
there?
joist will be going this
Uh-huh.
way. So it shouldn't be an issue. I think probably in here is probably going to be more like it.
Okay.
That's the drain coming down for the bathroom here for these 2 bedrooms. And then the kitchen sink, and then that over there for our bedroom, or our bathroom, and the laundry. And
Yeah. Okay. And then there will be water, where the water will come in is with that blue pipe.
yeah. So we've got to get the fittings onto this.
That says
What's that?
bath 2 inches. And there's an X right there.
idea why why you put that there. Unless he was looking at the older way
Older
that the thing was
plans.
set up.
Well, it looks like everything's in the right place, though.
Yeah, unless... No, because it'd have to be over there. For our master bath.
I'll be sitting in what?
Putting in the frame wall here.
Oh, that's the first thing, yeah. Can't start raising the logs until you got something to raise them on.
Yep. Get this, you get the center beam. Yeah, but you would need to get the center beam in place into those pockets before you could set the sill plate. And start setting the logs. Is she still trying?
I don't think she can manage on the hill. Can't keep her balance. Okay, so this can't see it anymore. I thought there was something down here for like the septic.
This is where the drains come out right here.
The drains come out there. Okay. Okay, they didn't get any concrete into the garage, but they did get the basement. And they put some gravel in the driveway. Not all the way up to the road, but almost there. Okay, here's the basement from standing in the garage. Okay, the blue line is marking where the concrete should come up to. So, lots of concrete. Thank you for watching this episode. We hope you'll join us next time as we continue building our log cabin in the woods.